Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay your Botim loan installment in under 2 minutes. So first, open your Botim app and log in. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once you are in, tap the finance icon at the bottom. It looks like a wallet. In the finance section, look for my loans or loans. Tap it and you will see your active loan details here, including the due date and amount owed. See the pay installment button, tap it. Now enter the amount you want to pay. Pro tip, pay the full due amount to avoid late fees. Double check the number and hit continue. Choose your payment method. You can pay via card, bank transfer, or mobile wallet. I'm using my saved card for speed. Review the details, then tap pay now. Authenticate with PIN, fingerprint, or OTP and done. You will instantly see this payment receipt. Save it as proof. Bonus tip, enable auto pay in settings to never miss a due date. Late payments hurt your credit score. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.